Recently, I was asked by a married couple, what is the best religion to raise our children in? Now, both parents came from different religious backgrounds. And what they were really asking was, which practices should we follow? What temples should we attend? What festivals should we celebrate? What should our diet be and what prayers should we read? I believe that this isn't the right way to look at religion. To me, it's like having a house filled with treasure and many doors that all lead to the same house. If you knew what was inside, you wouldn't be asking, which door should I open? What you'd really be asking is, how do I get in? How do I access that treasure? And this is how you should measure your own use of religion. When we look at spiritual masters like Guru Nanak, they came to the earth and they saw that there were thousands of people who were lost in practice and who had forgotten the essence of what the religion was trying to teach. The spiritual text of the Guru Granth Sahib has masters from various religious traditions, but all of whom had the same spiritual experience. One of these masters is Bhagat Namdev Ji, who lived in the 13th century, and he teaches us how to think about religion. He said, the Hindu worships at the temple, the Muslim at the mosque. Namdev serves that one who is not limited to the temple or the mosque. As long as we focus on which door to open, we're forgetting what's really inside. And by doing this, we make a huge mistake, thinking that religions are about practices and beliefs. And we've completely misunderstood religions as having their own different and separate gods. People think that only theirs is the real God and their path is the one that God approves of. When we believe this, then we waste our time trying to convince others to follow our religion. I see so many foolish comments on social media from people saying things like, Jesus is the only way. Allah is the true God. Just worship the form of Krishna. Now, this is not what any religion is about. All religions are about the truth that you are connected to life. And religious practices are just ways to teach us and our children how to open the door to realizing our true connection, to recognize that we're all part of that one same life force. And when you know that, then it changes everything you do, how you act and treat others. Our actions then become like the beautiful fragrance of a flower or the warmth coming from the sun. The best religion is to realize our oneness and to show love and compassion for all. Do you ever feel like life should be better? That there must be an easier way to live without all of these stresses and worries? Well, then take a look at our channel. We have hundreds of hours of free videos showing you how you can apply ancient spiritual wisdom to make life easier. I recommend you watch this video next.